Hey guys, what's up? This is iTouchPSP, and as you guys can see, I have an unboxing for you guys. This is not related to iPod things or iPhone things. This is the moment I've been waiting for. I mentioned this in one of my videos that I'm gonna get either the Guitar Hero or the Rock Band. Turns out one said Rock Band is better, so I picked this up and I bought. My father bought this for me, so thank you, Dad. You're the best. Now I have an unboxing, but before that, let me just get this unboxing, this little package from Adidas. So I went and purchased this, and what's in it is this free keychain, West 09. Good luck. And I have here Kobe's jersey number. Kobe's jersey for the All-Star game. Brian 24 LA. Go LA! So I'm really excited. Looks nice, isn't it? This is their new jersey for the All-Star game, which is tomorrow. Look at it, guys. Looks good. Alright. Next up, the big box. I do know what's in here because the one at the store does check all the things that's in it for it to be sure that all the things are in here. Nothing gets left out. So let's open this thing. I'm on 2 minutes already. Just gonna rip this package here. This. And it says here you have the, oh, by the way, this is the Rock Band Special Edition. The one that you have the guitar, the microphone, and the drum set. Let's open this then. Big box. Big box. So let's just rip this out. Oh, this is the wrong side. Let's just flip it. Okay, this is heavy, guys. It's very heavy. The price of this from Amazon, I think it was $189. We bought this at a local mall here. So let's see what's in here. What is this? Please do not return some warranty card. First we have the game itself, Rock Band 2. Nice. Next we have the microphone. Set of microphone. Nice. Next we have, how do I open this? Oh, this first. I think this is the guitar. From what's in the box, it says that it is the Fender Stratocaster guitar. Let me see. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, guys. How do I take this off? I'm really excited to open this and try it. I'm just sharing this with you guys. My unboxing and what I got. This is the guitar with the whammy bar. What is this? Silica gel. We have battery, USB, and we have this Fender Stratocaster, as you guys can see. We have a strap. So if ever you're interested in buying a Rock Band 2 kit, you pretty much know what's in here because I unboxed it. So that's what's in here. details, instructions. I'm running on 5 minutes now. So I believe this one is the drum set. Where's my knife? Let's rip this out. Oh, this thing is heavy. Here it is, guys. Wow, this one's heavy. We have the Rock Band. Oh, they include stickers. Rock Band 2, instructions and all that. And I believe this is the full drum set. How do I take this thing off the package? We have the stand here. Where's the knife? Here we go. Let's rip the package. Oh, there we go. We have, what's this? We have the stand. And we have this, a pair of drumsticks. Nice. Two stands here. Got a lot of things in here. I don't think I finished this. What is this? Wi-Fi? Oh no. A USB again. You guys can see that? Oh, sorry. Wi-Fi. Oh no. The USB cable. We have the... What do you call this? Drum... Says here it's the kick pedal. This is the kick pedal. Nice looking pedal here. Nice. And I'm gonna try this on once this unboxing is done. So many things are in here. And we have the drum set on green, blue, yellow, and red color. You know what? Let's open this. Oh. Here it is, guys. The drum set. You have the PS button here. All the controllers and buttons. The start and select button. Nice. So I don't think I'll need to review this. I'm just showing you guys what's gonna be in here. If you're ever interested in a Rock Band kit, that's what's gonna be in the box. I read surveys and reviews on everything, and Rock Band is better. So that's it, guys. Rock Band 2, rock on, and the Kobe jersey from All Star in Phoenix. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Rock on. Peace.